man? What's your name? Where are you from? And what kind of truck is this?
Doing good. My name's Tim Spurlock. I'm from New Paris, Indiana.
Okay.
This is a 78 Ford F-150.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing that hasn't been modified is the body and the frame.
Wow. There's a lot of truck right there. You stumble upon a nickname along the way?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's Old Blue.
Old Blue. Old Blue is 44-inch tires and 800 horsepower. It's the closest thing to a monster truck we've ever seen on truck night.
From zero to hero.
Good job, Tim.
Yeah!
Wow! Big air!
All right, Tim, bring it up. Let's go.
You ready for some big Ford power?
Here it comes.
Go!
He's tipped it. Here he comes.
All right, guys, he's coming at you. He's hauling ass on the straightaway with all that Ford power.
Watch out for that cliffside jump. Watch out for the jump. Here he comes. Yeah! Yeah! That was awesome! Tell you what, he is driving the wheels off that thing.
There's Old Blue. We got a visual on him, you guys. He's coming.
He is smashing cars on his way to the top.
Didn't even slow him down.
Look at that! What a shot! That truck is made for crushing cars.
He's heading into the roller coaster, and that is really, I think, the hardest obstacle for him.
Once you come around that corner, the tires are wet, it's muddy, you get on those wobble board, it is super slippery. But if he finishes this, he's going home with 10 grand.
Oh, no, Bender, he's sliding sideways. He might roll it.
He rolled it!
He's on his side. He's on his
Oh,
side.
damn it!
Tim, you okay?
Well, it ain't what I expected.
Abe and Glenn, he laid it on its side. Old Blue's laying on its side on the side of the wobble board.
It looks like a little bit of body work in order. Well, as you all seen, Old Blue got a little damage on Truck Night in America. Got it all fixed up, but let me show you some of the damage that was on Old Blue. First of all, when the truck laid over on its side, you guys probably seen the grill was smashed up, the fender was smashed. I've got the old fender laying right here. You can see it's tweaked in there, tweaked out there. We replaced that fender. The hood was repairable. We got the hood back into shape and all straightened out, looking good. Different grill. On the cab, the cowl got smashed in a little, so we cut the cowl off of another truck, welded it onto this one. The door got a little bit of damage on it. Nothing we couldn't straighten out and body work. The biggest challenge that we had on repairing Old Blue, when it laid over on its side, it knocked the cab over just a little bit. So what we ended up doing, we cut the cab off right about here and took a roof from another truck and placed on here, welded it together, ground the welds down, a little bit of body work. The bed took a little bit of a hit. Right in the middle, the bed was pushed in pretty bad, and we were able to work all that metal back out. We got Old Blue in a brand new coat of paint, same color. Everything looks great. You wouldn't even know that we rolled it over on its side in Truck Night in America. Okay, we've got Old Blue all fixed up from the damage on Truck Night. I don't own a body shop anymore, but I did for 15 years, so banging up Old Blue on Truck Night really wasn't that big of a deal to me. I kind of wanted to freshen it up anyway. So we've already got the paint mixed here. Some nice Old Blue. It's actually a semi-truck color. It's got a lot bigger metallics in it than a regular pickup truck or car has. But it's just always looked great on Old Blue. So we're going to stick with the same color. We're going to make Old Blue blue again. Alright, we got the 3 coats of blue on Old Blue now. Next thing to do after you put the base coat on is a clear coat. So we're going to make Old Blue shine now, just like it used to before Truck Night in America.
America loves trucks.